Hello children and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I have brought a fun-filled activity for you. For that, all you need is a hand glove, a straw, a marker pen, a paper cup and a scissor. Now first, with the marker, I will draw some finger images. So here I have drawn some finger images. Now I will take the paper cup, this side up, this side down. I'm going to insert it, I'm going to put it upside down. And now towards the bottom, on the side, I'm going to make a hole with the help of a scissor so that I can insert the straw. So see here, now here I have made this hole in the paper cup. The size right for the straw to be inserted inside. Neither big, neither small. So now the straw can be inserted in this hole. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to cover the paper cup, the open end of the paper cup, with a hand glove like this. Okay, and I'm going to put this fingers inside. This straw I'm going to insert in the hole which I had made. Now what I'm going to do is blow in air from this end, and you can see the fingers pop up. Ready? Okay. See? Let's see once again. Okay. Ready? So children, did you enjoy? Okay, one more. See here. Put it inside and blow in. So I hope you enjoyed. Now you can give it a try at home. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep watching my videos.